A year later, the question being asked of head coach Bill McCartney is, can his team be as successful without the Onesi factor? Colorado hopes to have a positive answer to that question today. Last year, Tennessee surprised everyone, including head coach Johnny Majors, finishing the season 11-1 and winning a share of the SEC championship. In 1990, the Vols returned 9 offensive starters, including Carl.
We interrupt your programming for a civil danger warning. An unidentified video has been playing through stations across the United States. This fear has been causing mass headaches and causing eyes to bleed. If you have any type of electricity, turn it off immediately.